Still wearing a fitness tracker that only counts steps and buzzes with notifications? What if your smartwatch could do so much more, like monitor your heart rate, guide your workouts, and keep you looking sharp all day long? Let's talk about the Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro, the sleek and smart fitness companion made for modern lifestyles. With pro-level health tracking, a vibrant AMOLED display, personalized coaching, and long-lasting battery life. Built for movement, motivation, and style, this watch helps you stay active, connected, and on top of your goals from sunrise to sunset. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro. Charging cradle. Quick start guide, security information, and warranty card pamphlets. Ready to level up your wrist game? Tap the link below to check out the Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro on Amazon. Features. Explore a wide range of built-in workouts and real-time coaching to push your limits. Whether you're climbing, riding, or swimming, this watch keeps you one step ahead. Set daily move, exercise, and stand goals in the next-gen activity rings to make healthy living your day-to-day reality. Huawei TrueSense is now capable of monitoring 6 major systems, including the respiratory, nervous, and endocrine systems, to make digital health more accessible and comprehensive for all. Stay connected with Bluetooth calling, quick replies, and voice notes right from your wrist. Snap photos with the remote shutter, take screenshots, personalize with new watch faces, and even create custom stickers. All backed by impressive battery life that keeps going for days. Specifications. Charge your watch. To charge your Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro, attach it to the charging dock connected to a USB power source. It generally takes about 1 to 2 hours for a full charge from 0% to 100%. Set up with app. Download the Huawei Health app from the App Gallery, Google Play Store, or App Store and install it. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Press and hold the side button until the Huawei logo appears. The watch will boot up and display a pairing screen. Launch the app and sign in with your Huawei ID or create one if needed. Grant necessary permissions for location and Bluetooth access. Tap on the Devices tab at the bottom. Select Add Device and the app will start searching for nearby devices. Once your Watch Fit 4 Pro appears, tap on it. A pairing request will be sent to your watch. Confirm it on both your phone and watch. Wait a few seconds while the devices connect. Once paired, the app will automatically begin syncing data from your watch. It will also check for any available firmware updates and install them if needed. This ensures your Watch D2 is up to date and ready to use. The process only takes a few minutes to complete. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro. See you in the next one.